Hello, wonderful people. I bring you greetings. Hello, my wonderful people. I bring you greetings. My name is Joe Vika. I am the founder and the initiator of Igbo Ruo Ulo and the President General of Igbo Ruo Ulo as well. I have a very short break, a short message to deliver to my people based on information made available to me. Don't ask me the source of my information, but just listen to the information. It might be great essence and good for you. Um, The topic I'm looking to, the information I have to is a kind of sounding of warning to our darling governor. Let nothing happen to Alex Otti. And I'm representing the uh, Igbo rule law auspices and sounding this warning. Let nothing happen to Alex Otti. Somebody might be wondering, why are you coming up with this kind of warning? Why are you coming? What do you mean by that? What did you see? Before I go further into explaining to you what I saw and what I'm seeing and what I know is going to happen, let me give you a little bit background of my person. This broadcast is not going to take more than 30 minutes, and I'll get out of here. Before that, I want to take a break, and I said if I come back, I will begin to unleash the bag out of the cat. Remember, if you don't have information, you are already deformed. When you go to Geovica TV, you will never be deformed. If you have not started following us in our first all the channels, YouTube, Facebook, I don't know what you're waiting for. I'll be going in for another meeting in a couple of minutes. So far, that's why I'm going to take this broadcast very short. But I need to deliver it before the time comes. If you have not started following us, do this now. Thank you for those of you joining me on TikTok. Hit the double tap so that you can like the video. Let's take a breather. As we come back, we continue.
If you no get information, you are already deformed. Why not go to your YouTube? Jovika TV. You want time for Facebook? Jovika TV. Instagram and Twitter. Jovika TV. Abi, you want time for TikTok? Jovika TV. Abi, na WhatsApp you want time? Jovika TV. Jovika TV. Poised to reach you with the truth.
Welcome back. We are always poised to reach you with the truth. So today I begin to explain to you why I'm bringing you this breaking warning news, telling all the southeastern governors, let nothing happen to Alex Otti. I had a revelation, and I'm going to reveal it to you. But before then, I want to use this opportunity to tell you my kind of person. Frankly speaking, I know I have a prophetic gift, but I don't bring it to the social media to display my prowess in spiritual knowledge. I don't do it because I don't have the mandate to do it, except on a sparingly. I can just do it. I don't also want to tell anybody that I'm a prophet, but by the grace of God, most of the things I have seen and have said have come to pass. I can remember vividly before the election, presidential election, I made a prediction, if you want to call it prediction. I also made a prophecy, if you want to call it prophecy. I said that the particular, some markets are going to be burnt. And lo and behold, it happened exactly the way I did it. Someone got on the video, went viral, where I told the Igbos, be careful, their market are going to be burnt. So I have said a couple of things that really came into existence, and many more. Some of them, I watch the trend of things, I make that prediction. It's not as God spoke to me. That's the truth. Like when I said that Soludo is going to win election, but it has been scuffed. It's going to be scuffed if Soludo doesn't take care for the APC going to hijack that result. So I didn't receive it by the Lord. It was based on antecedents, things I discovered. So I'm not the type that want to tell you God is speaking to me when God did not speak. But when I watch events of things, I can tell you what is going to happen. Most time it happened accurately. So I wouldn't use it to come and claim I'm prophet. God told me I am eating my food with God. No. But there are a lot of things I predicted that happened the way I said them. Not so much as I have told people a lot of things that in prophetically. When God comes to me prophetically, I declare them, it happens that way. Then before I go further to give you this information, that why I say that they should be very careful, let nothing happen to Otti. Let me tell you, give you this information. No, my number is in the public domain. I don't have the doubt that so many people will be trying to scam me, or some will try to chat me, lure me into seduction. I want to tell you, if you're trying it, I wish you well. If you succeed, enjoy yourself. But if you don't succeed, whatever you see, you will take it. So I'm very much at alert of that. So I'm not part of that. My number is out there. Everybody can call me. I just trying to display rendering my services to them. I'm a kind of public service, and I have my passion for my Igbo people. So any Igbo man who chat me and call me for your challenge, what I can offer, solution, advice, prayer, whatever, I'm available. But when you chat me, want to come and take advantage of my openness, open-mindedness to you, you will definitely face your Waterloo. At the same time, I also want to tell you that, guys, okay, let me not go into that. But in nutshell, if you chat me, try to introduce your name. Tell me where you're chatting from. If possible, you're placed from in Igbo land. It's going to give me some opportunity to really be very free with you and flow. But if you just chat, hello, hi, yeah, I will ignore you or I block you because I don't know what disturbance is. Thank you. Let's go for that. Now, you can just agree with me that this man called Otti is just setting the ball rolling. He's running more than the other governors. And you will agree with me that each time there is something of this nature, jealousy can never be done away with. It is normal. It happens. So I had a revelation that prompted me to come up with this particular topic. Because my people say, okay, let me use what happened in the Bible as an instance. The Bible said that Joseph had a dream and he was hated by his own brothers. Otti had just come to let us know there is money in Nigeria. There is money in Alibo. Otti had just come to prove to us there is money in governors. You know, sometimes we keep blaming the federal about our ordeal. But the truth of the matter, the major problem is coming from the federal, but our people can decide how the land could be. And this is why this group called Igbo Ruo Ulo, we believe that we cannot continue to wait on the government to change the narrative for us. We have to determine what happened to our land. We have to take the bull by the horn. I was talking with somebody a couple of days ago. He said, Ali Igbo ga-adị mma ma ọ bụrụ na ma ha kwe. See, bro, no. Ali Igbo ga-akwe ma ọ bụrụ na anyị nwa kwere. Somebody cannot decide and determine your future. Somebody cannot tell you how you're going to live your life. Somebody cannot determine how nice you're going to be. I said, no, I want kwere. Onye kwe chi ekwe. This time around, Igbo Ruo Ulo ikwerego na nobody will decide Alibu for us, even the governors. So long as we're going to do something legit, let them come and stop us when we want to do legit. Then it's a different ballgame. Now, this man, Otti, have taken the pedal, trying to change the narrative to let us know that there's good things in governors. And that is what we are facing and enjoying. But unfortunately, many other governors are not comfortable with his moves. Many other governors are not very happy with him. So I saw in a revelation where there is a very strong gang up against Governor Otti. When I woke up after seeing that revelation, I remember what happened to Ihedioha. If you can remember vividly, Ihedioha was at the verge of changing the Imo state. Most of the road he constructed within that 7 months were of standard. He was using Julius Berger. So I discovered that anybody, any government, any governor who really want to do impact to his people will always like to use Julius Berger. When Chimika Amechi was having good thought for River State, Julius Berger. until he joined all ancestral people's congress. He stopped using them. Wike came because he had a good intention. He started using Julius Berger. Now, when Uhedo took over the saddle, he started using Julius Berger. When he left, they are no longer using Julius Berger. And I don't want to talk about them in Imo State. So now, let's what you have come and started using Julius Berger. Julius Berger was one of the federal foreign contractors that work with the federal. They like engaging them in the federal because most of the federal roads, they need it to be standard. They want to do. And when I talk about this federal road, most time in Abuja, the class mass of whatever good thing you are seeing in Abuja today was as a result of engaging Julius Berger in some critical place. That's how they designed the Abuja metropolis. Now, this man took over the power and brought Julius Berger to the southeast. Many people are not comfortable, more especially his colleagues, the governors, and the ex-governors. Do you know one thing I like about it? When I noticed that Otti is going to do well, Otti was not seriously trying to witch hunt anybody. Even in this recent light that came up, the power supply, they asked him a question about his predecessor. He was very careful not to indict him or say anything negative about him. He said, "I don't, to my best of my knowledge, I don't think so." When you want to know a man who wants to succeed, it's like when you are playing football. You're on a pitch, you have the ball, you're a striker, and you want to go to score goal. Somebody from the viewers or those watching from the side started shouting your name. You are a thief, you are evil, you are this, and you leave the ball you want to play. Say, who said that thing? Thunder fire you there. He don't like my friend there, my brother Odumeje. Odumeje has his phone. He wanted to preach. The old Father, come and there, bring the joy. Holy Ghost, the name of Jesus. Somebody made a noise. Who said that thing? My brother, if you're connected in the spirit, the people want to believe. You don't need to just stop the noise. Must you start using some vulgar languages in a live broadcast when you want to bless the people? You are blessed. God bless you. God bless you. That is distraction. You can't be having the ball to play and you're busy chasing somebody who is insulting you. He's not bothered about how his successors has messed up the thing. He continued with his good work. Time will come, the successor will face their music. This is a habit of someone who wants to succeed. Who goes forward does not look backwards. I've never seen anybody who wants to succeed and start looking backwards. That is what he's practicing. He is moving ahead and success is in front of him. But now, do you know that the so-called governors are not comfortable with this guy? They're not comfortable with his achievement. There is a strong gang up. I'm going to tell you the one of the gang up now. Listen, I recently heard that the Fulanis want to take him to court. I mean, Alessoti. Yes, I heard. Somebody, if you know you are aware of it, put me in confirmation through the comment section. And what did he do that they want to make this thing? What did he do that they want to take him to court? You guys heard about the news of getting some scores. Mute yourself, sir. Mute yourself. You guys heard about the news of getting some scores of human being buried in shallow grave in North Anta. So after that incident, those people were recovered. He decided to ask those Fulanis to leave that place. They want to use another thing to put in there. They want to capitalize on that particular trying to recover that land to take him to court. That is a strong plan to do that. But I am seeing something beyond because they want to renovate that place. Some governors from the southeast, more especially one of them, based on the information reaching me, want to, from behind, to sponsor the Fulanis to continue to send an attack. It's not going to just end the court case. So that this man will be distracted by facing court and job will not be done as he planned it. This is what I'm seeing going to happen. This is one of the ways they want to use court to score for him, to stop him from shining, from growing where he is heading to. But I want to tell them, so we the Igbos, we the Igbo Ruo Ulo, and anybody who loves Igbo, we have to stand behind Otti to fight this battle. Let me put this in here, guys. We have to stand behind Otti to fight this battle. We're not going to keep quiet and they will just fight him. So I want to encourage all the stakeholders, those who love good things of Igbo land, those who know how to do. Whenever the battle starts, please, the governor should hand it over to our prophet orders and face his good work. But I want to say, if any other thing further, apart from what I'm seeing happen to him, we must hold our Southeastern governor responsible. There is something that I don't know. Do you know that any day Anambra get it right, other states will follow suit? Because Anambra is not getting it right. It affects him. But thank God for Lesotho, who has broken the yoke, the genes of following the old people, blah, blah, blah. He's setting a goal really. I don't know, Mba, you have started, you are trying, but your effort have not really been fed so smoothly. Peter Mba of Enugu, I beg you, sir, do something. The Ebony man, I don't know that he's a very young man. When I saw his age, very young man. The Ebony man, sir, His Excellency, please, we have not started feeling the impact of your election yet. Governor, you have succeeded in getting your second tenure. You are relaxing. Not you just want to consolidate. Appointment, you don't even want to appoint. Just like the way Buhari stayed for 6 months. No appointment when he took over. This is a government he has been fighting for, paying bribe, doing all he could, he rigged himself and got it. It took him 6 months to get his cabinet working. And when he brought them, he gathered many people that are clueless like him, and nothing was done seriously. So what am I saying today? Guys, we must walk, rally around behind Alex Otti. Never allow the Southeastern governors and some people to do anything negative against him. But one good thing I discovered in that revelation, they thought that the man at the headquarters will be used to deal with him. So that is one of the good things that happened. It is not the former person, Konyoshi, corruption fighter. Corruption fighter, Azarun. Thank God Azarun not there. They would have used him to scuffle this man. Based on the revelation I saw, they tried to use the federal. The man said, it's not my business. Emiloko told them, it's not my business. Now your brother, they will give him, I'll do my work, and the man left him. So this is what I saw in that revelation. They wanted to use the federal power against him and other things to stop him from developing where he's developing. But the man said, you don't concern me. If he didn't know what is the problem, I moved on. And they came back with shame. But they still went ahead and started planning against him. So that the same record they did not achieve, that this man will not achieve it. So I'm sending this as a warning. The Igbo governor should be very careful. And we, the populace, we shall have to stand behind this man and fight any movement from the Igbo governor or any other person or the Fulanis. We can never tolerate it. We, the Igbo Ruo Ulo, will not tolerate this. My brother, thank you for joining me. Do you have any message? And because I will soon go, I don't have much time to stay in this broadcast. Unmute yourself, direct to the point before I go, sir. Are you still there? Unmute yourself. Somebody just calling through TikTok. Do you have something to say? I don't think you have. So I want to conclude this broadcast by telling you guys that we have to pray for Alex Otti. Alex Otti, yes. We have to stand by him. We have to encourage him. We have to do our best, play our role as lovers of good things to make sure he delivers the God's mandate upon his life. Don't allow our old archaic riggers. They call themselves leaders. You guys call the leaders, but I don't call the leaders. They are riggers. We should not allow the riggers to do anything to him. We should not allow the riggers to join our enemy to bring him down. Because he wants to remove some certain quarters where these so-called people, Sahana, Zonama, Ghana, then they want to use that particular thing to take him to court, to use court to start fighting him, and use other measures, which I'm not going to mention here. It is clear to me to fight him. So that's why I'm making this broadcast. I'm stopping. I told you I'm not going to stay too long because I have a meeting I want to join now. So what am I saying in a nutshell? No, let nothing happen to Alex Otti. God has brought him to change the narrative of governance. He must do his best and allow him to do. I call upon Governor of Enugu State, please increase your tempo of development. I call upon Governor of Ebony State, please increase your tempo. I call upon Professor Soludo, who people have described that he built his own road with Mount, when Otti is building with Chilos Bega. That's what people say. I didn't know that there are people talking about. Let me talk about. So start building with your Chilos Bega. Stop building with your Mount. The one that is making me so mad is the way you send touts, you send task force or whatever you call them, to torture people. No more human dignity. A shopping mall was found not to be clean according to them, maybe the gutter. They came and took all the people there. They didn't just bring them, they arrested them. Didn't arrest them, threw them into inside a cell, something they call cell. We are intimidating them, torturing them, beating them. Somebody not steal, somebody not commit any crime. There's no court of law that have convicted those people to be committing crime just because their gutter is not looking so neat and start beating them. Who sent them? Governor Soludo. And up till now, you have never addressed that issue and you say you're a good governor. I am calling on Ndanambara, please pay him back evil for his evil. If he's evil, his second tenure, make sure it is denied of him. Let him not smell it. If Anambra will keep quiet, this man will go for second tenure. If he doesn't do anything better this time around, he doesn't change this thing we are seeing now, the second term will be I'm not hiding mine to say it. So since Soludo doesn't want to get it right, we must campaign against him of second tenure. He should change the narrative. The man, although PVC doesn't matter anything to them, I know. But I want people to use whatever means they normally use to stop him. I've been hearing what's his name? Ivan Yoba trying to come up. Not the same people. Forget about not the same people for me. They should look for somebody fresh to take over from Soludo. I think I want to stop here so today. I don't told you guys it's a very short message. Let nothing happen to Alex Otti. I won. And Ndi should pray for him. If you are a traditionalist, do your incantation for him. If you go church, pray for him. Let nothing happen to Alex Otti. I rest my case. At this juncture, permit me to go from here so that I can join my meeting. You can see they have started calling me already in the meeting I need to join. And I will end by telling you guys, if you have never joined us in Igbo Ruo Ulo, we are hitting all the airwaves. We now have Igbo Ruo European branch, Igbo Ruo Asia branch, Igbo Ruo African branch, other countries in Africa, Igbo Ruo Canada, America. We have formed platform for them. We are kicking off very soon. I'm going to be dishing out the assignment to them. In America, maybe telling us their plan. I'm going to tell them to give us our cassava processing the industry. I will tell the Asia, conduct a carnival, stroke talent hunt in Igbo land, where all these stars will be hunted. Among the people you guys are calling Omengon, some of them, we have Okochas among them. We have Finidi George among them. We have Chibike Lobigo. We have Osimen among them. Some of them, we have AY among them, comedians among them. But nobody gave them platform to shine. They ended up answering Omengon. So we need to feed them. We can tell Asia, sponsor carnival to talent hunt in Igbo land. We hunt our stars. Those who can dance. Some of our guys that are doing hookup, we have talent among them that are wasting their life in Indonesia, Malaysia, Dubai, and then Dubai with the hookup. That is what some of the girls who are there doing. They should come home, display their God-given talent. We have a Conjoy Wildhouse. We have Ngozi Adichie and Chimamanda Niches in them. Let those treasures that are in them come out. That is one of our mission. We must industrialize Alibo. Alibo will turn to Silicon Valley of Africa, whether you like it or not. Your hatred cannot stop it. Your whatever you're doing cannot stop it. With God on our side, we will be there. So we have set up this particular platform. If you have never joined, I beg in the name of God, join us. God will bless you. If you have never got the information, you are already deformed. See you after this. Bye-bye for now, and God bless you. Love you.
Yeah. This is Joe Vika Television. All the way from California, Syria, all over the world. This is Joe Vika Television. Come on. Yeah. Everybody got a story, either lose or win. everybody imperfection, everybody sin. Coulda, woulda, shoulda, everybody guaranteeing. This is Joe Vika Television making story films. In Times and Now for magazines or Dika Bulletin. When they take my advice, live your dream and do your thing. Nowadays, things we be seen, be like no be seen. In Joe Vika Television, truth is what we sing. We are poised to reach you with the truth. Oh, oh, oh. California, from here we reach the world. Oh, oh, oh. It's Joe Vika Television everywhere. Oh, oh, oh. The social media handles it. Oh, oh, yeah. Igbo Vika TV in all social media platforms, Facebook and Twitter, YouTube and Insta Anchor. Truth must be told, Sogi Brodibia or Pastor. Okwa Television with the truth is what we ask for. This is Joe Vika Television. Joe Vika Television, poised to reach you with the truth.